picture.
Okay.
Who is this?
Okay. I want to hug him.
Okay, so hug him nice.
That's a good boy.
You're very gentle with him, thank you.
And you're staying at Nan's house, right?
What's she doing now? Cutting
Well, he's staying at Nan's
We have
house.
to document the child.
And say what he did. So he stayed. Grandma picked him up at daycare. Then Nan picked him
This
up.
woman with a camera is the most dangerous person I think is all.
How about it? Say someday you can show this to Colin when he's big. How about it?